Perched atop Chattanooga's historic Missionary Ridge, this 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, all-brick, one-level home features panoramic views from front to back, expansive patios for entertaining, a luxurious in-ground pool, dual garages with an elevator to take you to the main level, and conveys with nearly 5 acres of additional lots to preserve your view. This is 312 North Crest Drive.